how to parlay on Hard Rock Bet. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, we will need to log in or sign up. So you can just sign into the Hard Rock Bet app. And the second step will be choosing your sports and events. You want to navigate to the sportsbook section and choose the sports or events you want to bet on. The third step will be adding selections to bet slip. So you want to browse the games or events you want to bet on and click on the odds for the outcomes you wish to bet. You can bet on spreads, money lines, and totals or other available markets. The fourth step will be building your parlay. So once you've added 2 or more selections to your bet slip, the platform will automatically offer the option to create a parlay. A parlay is where all your picks are combined into one bet and all your selections must win for the parlay to pay out. The fifth step will be entering the wager amount. So you want to enter the amount of money you want to wager on your parlay. The potential payout will adjust automatically based on your selections and odds. The sixth step will be reviewing and confirming, so double check your selections, odds, and once you're satisfied, you will just click on place bet to confirm your parlay. You want to track your bets, and here are some tips for parlay betting. You want to focus on risk versus reward. Parlays offer higher payouts because they are harder to win. Mix and match. You can mix different types of bets, spread, moneyline, totals, or even different sports in a single parlay. And the number of selections, the more selections you add, the higher the potential payout, but it also increases the risk. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.